Hi everybody, if you're having a problem with your Nintendo DS Wi-Fi connector, like so, and there are 6 popping up, here's the fix for Vista. First of all, go to your start menu, then click on control panel on your right, then click on network and internet, go to the top of this tab and click network and sharing center. Then go to the tab on your left and go to manage network connections. If you know your network, right click it. Go to properties, continue, then there should be a tab that says sharing. Go into that tab, make sure both of these boxes are ticked and then OK. If this message turns up, ignore it and OK it. If you've not installed all the old program beforehand, do so now. Then reinstall the disk, and then connect your connector when it tells you so. That should fix the problem. If it doesn't, go to the Nintendo website, like so, and go to support, and go to accessories on your Nintendo DS Lite. Then scroll down to your Nintendo Wi-Fi connector, click on that, scroll down to the bottom of the list and download the Vista 106 final. Download that, click save, save again. It should download it. When it has finished downloading, hopefully this should fix the problem. Then open file, and it should be saved on your computer. And hopefully that should fix the problem. So thank you for watching. I'd like to hear your comments. So bye.